Have you ever walked outside, perhaps in a paddock, somewhere where there aren't any street lights, on the night of a full moon? It bathes the landscape in this particular eerie kind of light. The energy of the full moon has traditionally been the time of werewolves, the time of creepy things, the time of our fears, the time when our emotions come to the surface. And in this way, the moon is about change. If you have a look at the symbolism of the moon, the full moon is there to let us know about the traditional times of the eerie. We have two dogs that are releasing their emotions by howling at the moon. They're trying to find answers. The lobster crawling out of what looks like a bit of a swamp is about the creepy, crawly, scary things that crawl out at us unexpectedly. But the pathway from the water towards the moon is about the pathway we tread, and it has some twists and turns in it. When we see a moon in our spread, it means there's change coming, but it can often mean that it's unexpected. There's something coming out of left field, something that may have been manifested through our fears. It may have been manifested by something that unconsciously we've wanted but haven't really put into place. The time of the full moon, while it's about flux and change, usually occurs because there's something unconsciously that we want. Perhaps we haven't admitted to ourselves that we're needing that change. And the moon will actually bring forth those unconscious desires into our more conscious world. The moon in reverse manifests our fears, and this can mean loss of money, it can mean illusion, it can mean deceit, and it often means that we're feeling quite exhausted during this period of time because it is draining our energy rather than replenishing it.